Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Indiana Local and Long Distance Movers near me. Are you planning on moving locally within the Indiana state or getting ready for an interstate move to or from Indiana? We are one of the top national moving companies in the Hoosier State, with decades of experience under our belt. We help our customers relocate their homes or businesses regularly and know what each type of move needs to be done safely, fast, and at an affordable price. Long-distance moves can be quite a hassle. While planning is ideal, sometimes you don't have time to arrange all the details yourself, or you might be surprised by the regulations you have to take into account and the logistics details you have to put together. Moving locally sounds easier than it is, just because of the short distance. In reality, there are plenty of logistic details to put together for local moving services, and your belongings still need to be packed and handled properly if you want them to arrive at their destination unharmed. DIY moves can be tempting when moving nearby. In our experience, many customers who should have chose a professional local mover have had unfortunate experiences when trying to do it themselves, whether it meant improper handling of the items, trouble with the transportation, more time and effort than they had expected, etc. When we help our customers move locally, we tell them to relax for a few hours and meet us at the destination. The job is done quickly, and they can focus on other administrative tasks while we handle the move, making their new beginning much easier. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Indiana moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as storage. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.